In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stickers on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. So first, you want to open up Snapchat, and then from here, press on Memories. Then you can choose from your camera roll, AI snaps, or basically anything you want to create a sticker of. Then I'm going to click on camera roll, and I'm just going to choose a random photo to edit. Let's just say I choose this one. Then on the top right, you're going to see a scissor icon. From here, press on the scissors, and then you can draw a border around the person you want to create a sticker of, and it will automatically highlight that area. Then press on done, and then now you have a sticker, and if you click on the stickers, you can go to the top and press on the scissors, and you can see the stickers that you just created. You can also do this with other people's snaps by remixing the snap. And that's it. Quick and simple. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.